Welcome into Wild Animal Wednesdays. I'm Blake Eason. Time now for a ride on the wild side. Let's go.
Today we're hanging out with some tiger zebras, bongo antelope,
We're surrounded by giraffes,
red-tailed boa constrictor, ostriches, African spur tortoise,
singing dogs,
albino African pygmy hedgehog, ring-tailed lemurs, Uromastyx lizard, Tarantulas jolie.
We're hanging out with the goat today and all of the goats here at Wild Animal Safari. Internally, I'm freaking out right now because okay, he's moving. I think I just felt him move a little bit.
The way that they regulate their heat is by changing colors, so they'll get lighter and darker. The giraffes, especially during the warm season, you can actually see them free roaming. So they'll roam around the whole park and they'll eat leaves, but they'll also eat right out of your hand.
Look how he's turning his tongue! Ah! Watch how he catches the... Okay, back up now.
They like to dig burrows, and so in the desert, those burrows create a habitat for not only them, but also other species as well. Their defense mechanism, those little hairs they'll throw them with their back legs onto their prey or their predators.
Right.
To irritate them enough to be able to attack or get away. They'll roll into a ball and they'll puff out. When an animal goes to bite down on them, it hurts their mouth, so they drop it.
I don't know if this microphone could pick up my heartbeat, but it is going 100 miles per hour.
Reptiles take a lot of work. They're a big responsibility because they have to have their humidity levels right because, of course, they shed their skin.
I think Sanchez is a little interested. I haven't fully committed to see if I'm as interested as Sanchez is.
These guys actually have a howl similar to a wolf, except that they actually will harmonize. One of them will start howling, and then the other ones will start howling in different keys. Absolutely, 100%. A lot of people think, oh, goats eat anything. That's a common misconception, but they're actually quite picky eaters.
Right.
They're actually flightless birds, but they do have their wings, as you can see. It's actually a display to keep other animals away. It's also used for mating. They're critically endangered. All subspecies of tigers are endangered. They're also very secretive, so there's not a whole lot known about their behaviors and how they work, basically. And because they are so hidden in the forest, the biggest reasons that they're endangered is, of course, poaching. Also deforestation, which is a big problem with a lot of different species. In the wild, you'll have a social group of lemurs, and they're actually female-run. In this case, Delilah would kind of run the show because the females just run the whole society. Actually, their skin underneath is black, and then their fur has the stripe pattern on it. Each one has a different stripe pattern that's as unique as our fingerprints are. So you're never going to see the same pattern on one.
We look forward to showing you what we find Wednesdays at 6 a.m. Eastern.